Good day and good health to you, dear businessmen and investors. I am an expert in setting up forest processing enterprises in Russia. I created 16 enterprises for sawmilling and woodworking in various directions. Today, Russia has created excellent conditions for the work of investors, such as exemption from income tax for 2 years and many other indulgences that allow you to make excellent business in Russia. I suggest that you do business in the area of timber processing. This is a very profitable business. I suggest you build production in Russia in the Leningrad, PSKV regions or in the Republic of Karelia. This will be good logistics for sending products to Europe through the Baltic states on cars or to the countries of India, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia and a number of other countries by sea through the port of St. Petersburg. The volume of investments is about 1.5 million euros. That includes the registration of your Russian company, the purchase of land, the construction of production of sawmills and woodworking. The products will be produced as follows: a construction board, a floorboard, a furniture board, windows, doors, fuel granules and other products that are in demand in the market. The period of return of the invested funds is not more than 36 months. Monthly income will be at least 126,000 euros. As an expert, I will help you in solving all the issues on the territory of Russia and I will be able to lead your enterprise as a general director. Your production will deal with all issues of timber processing from its harvesting at the GRE Acute MO 950 complexes, sawmilling of so-called sawlogs, drying of the required amount of board and its further processing. The sawmill line will be installed at a capacity of up to 150 meters of cubic wood in the entrance and 70 meters of cubic ready-made board in one shift. In a month, production will produce up to 3,000 meters of cubic boards, some of which will be dried in the drying complex to a transport humidity of 18 to 20% and sent to the buyer, and part of the board will be dried to a humidity of 10 to 12% and processed into other products. The sawmill line will be installed Link Production Sweden, a line for processing thin logs, a line for the production of furniture boards, beams, windows and doors, as well as other lumber. The production line will install a line for the production of fuel pellets and briquettes, which is very popular in Europe. The total production area will be 5 hectares of land. Of the machinery in production, in addition to the Gramo 950 harvesting complex, 2 forklifts will be used with a carrying capacity of 5 tons and 3 machines for transporting timber. You will have a very profitable business in Russia, which I'm sure you will only want to expand.